Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We were discussing parts of speech. Today's topic is adjective. We will discuss degree and orders of adjective. If you haven't watched my previous videos, so before starting this video, go and watch them first. The sun brightens our life and lightens our day. In the same manner, adjective lightens and bright up the light, the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Adjective is a word which qualifies or add meaning or description or quality to a noun or a pronoun which is particular to that thing. Like example, we have some noun and pronouns with their adjectives. Apple, sweet. Apple can be any apple, but sweet is refer only to the apple which is sweet. Board can be any board, but whiteboard is a particular board which is white. Box can be any box, but its adjective makes it particular or specific, so box is heavy. Hot water, late boy, gigantic ship, fresh juice, deep sea, curved bottle, delicious pasta. So these are some nouns and their adjectives we can use in your example sentences. So if we have a two adjective or more than two adjective in a single sentence, like take an example of tea is sweet and hot. So sweet and hot, in what manner or how can we recognize that what adjective will come first? Sweet will come first or hot will come first? So for fusion we have the order of adjective. Let's have a look on order of adjectives. Order of adjectives. We have a following rule of order of adjectives or rule for ordering the adjectives. OSAC com. So you can say opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. You have to first write the opinion adjective, size adjective, age adjective, shape adjective, and so on. Let's have a look on what are the example of these adjectives. Opinion can be your personal opinion. What do you think about the noun or a particular pronoun? Like it's delicious, lovely, nice, cool. These all are your opinion for the particular noun or a pronoun. Then we have the order of size for a particular noun or pronoun, like if it's big or small or tall or huge or tiny, anything else. Age, then after we have age adjective, we have to mention the age, if we have it is new or old or young or antique. Shape can be round, square, flat, rectangular, triangular, anything related to shape. Color, and then after shape we have color, any color, blue, green, reddish, purple, yellow, brown, orange. एंड देन ऑरिजिन मीन्स द से बिलोंग करता है, अमेरिकन है, ब्रिटिश है, इंडियन है, टर्किश है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव द मटेरियल एडजेक्टिव्स आर द एडजेक्टिव्स बाय विच द नाउन और प्रोनाउन इज मेड अप, like gold, wooden, plastic, synthetic, iron, silver, metal, copper, anything material. And then the purpose of using the noun or pronoun. Gardening, for shopping, for riding. Let's have a look on example. My grandmother has a dash sofa at her home. We have to write the characteristic or specialities of a sofa according to this order. So in your opinion the sofa will be lovely, so you will write lovely. And then we have the size order. Size will be huge, so we write lovely, huge. And then age क्या है? Antique we can use new, old और young नहीं, old और new use हो सकता है, क्योंकि we सोफ़ा की बात कर रहे हैं. सोफ़ा is a non living thing, so we do not use young. Antique, we use antique. After that there is a order of adjective. Shape, round, square or flat, so I use the rectangular adjective, rectangular. After that we have the color category. I use the brown color. Sofa, most of the sofas are brown, so I use the brown category. Origin, I use the Turkish design. You can write anything, any origin जो आपको जहाँ का सोफ़ा या जहाँ के वुडन डिज़ाइंस पसंद है आप वो लिख सकते हैं. After that material adjective, I use the wooden. And the purpose, there is not purpose any here in this sentence, so we will skip this. And also you can skip any of these, but if you are using the opinion and shape sentence like a lovely, lovely round bottle. So you have to write lovely first and then round. You cannot say a round lovely bottle. That sentence will be incorrect according to the grammar rule. So you have to follow the order of adjectives in this manner. So you will write the opinion adjective first, size, age, shape, color, origin, material and purpose. So you can also read the word o, sas, comp. So you can easily remember the order of adjective by this short form. So the sentence will become, my grandmother has a lovely huge antique rectangular brown Turkish designed wooden sofa at her home. This is all about the order of adjectives. So we have discussed the adjectives, what are adjectives, and then how to order the adjectives in a sentence. And after that, if we have to compare between two nouns or pronouns out the similar quality or speciality, so what we will use? We have a grammar rule, degree of adjective for this situation. Let's have a look on degree of adjectives. Degree of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In a positive degree, we are only concerned with a single noun or a pronoun. So with this, the definition can be explained in a following manner. There is no comparison at all, only the quality of a quality or quantity or speciality or anything of a noun or pronoun is stated for a singular noun or pronoun. But in comparative degree, we use a plural noun or pronoun. It means we have two pronouns and then, or two nouns or two pronouns, and then we have to distinguish between whether the quality of a singular one noun and the other noun is better or good. The adjective can be good and bad both. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is the degree in which we compare all of a noun or all of a pronoun related to that kind, quality, and the one of them is surpassing all the other nouns and pronouns. So let's have a look on examples. Positive degree will be the stone is heavy. We are only concerned with one stone and its adjective heavy. She is polite. We are only concerned with one pronoun she and which is polite. So polite will be the positive degree or positive degree of adjective. Comparative degree between two stones. The stone is heavier than other stone, or you can say the stone is heavier than piece of wood. So when you have to compare between two things, you have to choose the comparative degree form. And for comparative degree forms, the adjective, the positive adjective, will change by the addition of IER at the end and more at the first place. Superlative degree. Superlative degree example. This is the largest room in the house. We are comparing the rooms, all of the rooms of the house. So this is the superlative degree in which all of the rooms are included, but one is the biggest room or largest room. And also we have the condition that the superlative degree, in the superlative degree, the adjective will end with the est and start with most. Let's have a look on examples of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Famous, which is only concerned with one person or one thing. More famous, between two person or two things. Most famous among all of them. Easy, easier, easiest. You can see that I used more and most at the first place here, but I use IER and EST at the end of the adjective, so we can change the word appropriately. Tall, taller, tallest. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. So this is the end of our part of speech. If you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Allah Hafiz.